The Mani 2 backpack is Bababing's iconic changing backpack, which has been given a recent modern look while still having the same award-winning features. It's designed to look great both on mum and dad and is made of lightweight premium waterproof material. It's got padded straps, so it makes it really comfortable to carry when you're out and about. So let's talk about what makes this bag so award-winning. So first of all, we've got the large padded pockets at the front here, which is great for storing items that you want to grab really quickly when you're on the go. It has side pockets, which again is great for storing bottles and wipes, items that you want to grab quickly. It's got a lovely vegan leather trim as well, which makes it look really stylish and modern. So let's take a look inside the Mani 2 backpack. So first of all, which I really like about this bag, is when you open the large zip opening, it pops open. It's got a hinge opening, a bit like those old-fashioned doctor's bags that we used to have back in the day. So it makes it really easy for you to access all the items within the bag. This bag is designed to organise your items mainly. So we've also got two large pockets within the bag, a large main compartment, and we've also got the zip-up parent pocket, which is great for storing your keys, your phone, any valuable items you want to keep safe and secure. So if that wasn't enough, this bag also comes with three amazing accessories. First of all, we've got the zip-up quality thermal bottle holder. We've got a large changing mat, which is padded and waterproof, perfect for changing your baby when you're out and about. And also it comes with universal stroller clips, which are great if you want to clip it on the back of your pram when you're out and about. The final feature, which I think really sets this bag apart from the rest, is the waterproof rear pocket. Now this is made of EVA waterproof material, so it's really easy to clean, and it's great for storing wet nappies, dirty clothing, anything you want to keep secure and away from the main compartment so it doesn't contaminate any of your other items. Because let's face it, how many times have we taken our babies out and they've got dirty on the day trips and we need to change them? So it's great for popping those dirty items in there. It's also multifunctional, so it also acts as a security pocket as well. So if you're out and about in a busy town or a busy place, you can pop your phone and your keys in there. Just make sure that it's nice and safe and secure. So all in all, it's a wonderful, well thought through rucksack that has everything you could possibly need.